Hello everyone. This video I'm going to explain simplified makefile for our kernel module. Let's get into the source code directly. This is my VMware Ubuntu system. Here I have already written a makefile for our module. We use makefile to automate the build system. First line we have mentioned our module name. So and also we need to build this as an external module. So we have given us obj-m. Then we have to tell the kernel directory because we are going to cross compile this module for Raspberry Pi. So we need to generate the kernel headers. For that we need to mention the kernel directory because since it is a kernel module, we cannot directly compile with the GCC like user space application. So we need a kernel header. So we have to mention the kernel directory. Then all is actually a default target for makefile. So whenever you give make without any argument, it will search for all under all whatever the commands you have put that will be executed by the makefile. In the make command, we have to give couple of arguments. So first one is minus capital C, then your kernel headers path. So that's our kernel directory path. Then we have to tell the where our module is defined. So with a capital M, you have to mention the modules path. Then you have to tell the architecture. Here we are using Raspberry Pi, so we need to give a ARM architecture. Then you have to mention the cross compiler for our kernel module. When you want to clean the modules, you have to give argument with the make clean. If you give, then it will the clean target will be called. So this is just to clean your generated files. So it will leave your source code untouched, but other files it will delete. Now I want to clean all the other files. So I am giving make clean here. So it has deleted all other files. It just kept our makefile and source code file. Now I just want to give only make. It has generated all the object files and our .ko file. If you run file command on that, it has built for ARM architecture. That's all in this video. So we'll see in the next video. Thank you for watching.